Now we saw in the earlier video what is the meaning of control. There are certain exclusions which practically ensures that even if you have control, the consolidation should not take place, and these are given in the accounting standard itself. So let us look at them one by one. The first one is temporary control, right? So let's say you had H, it acquired shares in S, right? Let's say 55%, but this was temporarily acquired as stock in trade. Why? Because H Limited keeps on trading in stocks. The idea was that the moment this price rises, maybe 2 months, 3 months, 4 months down the line, H Limited will sell the shares of S Limited. But in the middle, what happened? By the way, somewhere around 31st March came in. So am I required to prepare CFS? The answer is no. Why? Because there is no control. Control excludes temporary control, right? So whenever you are holding these stocks either as a stock in trade, right, where you want to dispose them in immediate future, it is said that you are not controlling the company, right? The second one is that there are severe long-term restrictions on subsidiary, okay, which impairs its ability to transfer funds to the parent. Let me just explain this to you. Let's say in same case, S Limited, let's say for example, is situated in country XYZ, right? And XYZ is going through some crisis. So XYZ said that, whatever monies you are earning here, you can't send them back to the parent, right? Subsidiaries located in countries with restrictions on fund repatriation. You cannot repatriate, you cannot send back the funds from S to H, right? In that case also, even though effectively you are having this ownership, it is said that the control does not exist, right? Now in both these cases, investment in subsidiaries should be accounting for in accordance with accounting standard 13, accounting for investments. The reason for not consolidating a subsidiary should be disclosed in the CFS. The reasons you have to disclose as to why you are not consolidating it, right? But the accounting treatment has to be done as per the accounting standard 13, right? So these two are excluded from the definition of control.